Good afternoon, students. We are going to continue with the same chapter in physics, which is chapter 3, different forms of energy. We have already dealt with many forms of energy. We have some more forms to discuss upon, and we can start today with electrical energy. So, electrical energy, is another very important form of energy, and almost in every field we find electrical energy is used. Fields like agriculture, in the field of industry, in transportation, and many other fields we have where electrical energy is required. Two very important advantages of using electrical energy is that it can be transmitted over long distances. So the two advantages are electrical energy can be transmitted over long distances. For example, if we generate electricity here, it can be transferred or it can be transmitted to far off places. And second advantage is that does not cause pollution. So we have this important message about electrical energy. Then we have nuclear energy. This is the energy which is stored in the nucleus of an atom. And this energy from the nucleus is released when the nucleus splits, or the nucleus of two different atoms when combined. In that case only when we find this nuclear energy is available to us, and it is used to generate electricity. It can also be used in the treatment of several diseases. Next form of energy is solar energy. As you all know, this is the energy that is obtained from the sun and is a great useful to us. It can be used in the process of photosynthesis and also during evaporation. Then muscular energy. This is the energy which is stored in the muscles. As we know that when we eat food, during the burning of the food or different chemical processes, the energy is released which is stored in the muscles in the form of muscular energy. Our next topic is conversion of energy. We know energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can only be transformed, that is, it can be converted into one form into another. So we have some examples where you can see transformation of energy taking place. Like in food, chemical energy stored in the food is converted into muscular energy. Then in loudspeaker, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. In photosynthesis process, solar energy, that is the light energy, is converted into chemical energy. Then water stored in the dam, it is first having potential energy which is converted into kinetic energy during falling, and then it is converted to electrical energy. That is when this water during falling, when it strikes the turbine, it rotates the turbine and finally it converts into electrical energy. Then in nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy is converted into electrical energy. In the cell or the battery, chemical energy is stored, it converted into electrical energy. Then in fans or coolers, electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy. So these are the different forms of energy and also different ways to convert one energy into another. Thank you.